Welcome to today's free course on how to start dropshipping in 2025. My name is Isabella and I became a self-made millionaire thanks to online business. And I'm here to tell you it has never been an easier or better time than to start dropshipping than right now. The dropshipping market continues to grow year after year with no signs of slowing down. And it continues to change so many lives financially, including so many of you guys that have already watched my YouTube channel, done the things that I teach, and have been successful. And if they can do it, why can't you? So today I'm gonna keep this really simple and I'm gonna divide this up for you in 4 simple steps. So today we're gonna create your online store. We're gonna find winning products to sell and automate your store. We're gonna brand your store and your business. And the most important part that a lot of people miss is I'm gonna go over how to actually start getting sales for your online store, no matter what experience you have. I'm gonna be sharing my own marketing secrets and strategies that I have used to grow my online stores from nothing to earning over 6 figures in less than a year without buying any ads. And at the end of this video, I will be answering all the questions that you guys ask me in my comment sections about the legal side of dropshipping. Do I need an LLC? All these legal things that you guys think about that you ask me. I'm gonna be including all of that at the end. So make sure you guys watch all the way till the end of this free course so you will literally be ready to start dropshipping today. So really quick, here's how dropshipping works for any beginners here. So you want to find a product to sell from your supplier, which I'll help you find today. You list it on your online store for a higher price than the supplier's price. So let's just say the product cost from your supplier is $10, then the customer buys it from you for $60, then your supplier ships that product straight to the buyer and you keep the profits. I love this online business model for beginners because you can get your feet wet in e-commerce without spending a bunch of money to start and without having actual inventory on hand or having to ship anything yourself. So step number 1, let's build your online store. It has never been an easier time to start your own online store because we are now using free AI tools to do it for us. To make it easy for you guys, I included all the steps down in the description box down below in order. So the first step is to create your online store. So just click the link at the top of my description box down below, which is labeled as Get Your Online Store Built Free by AI. And again, this is gonna be so much faster than you doing it yourself, and there's no catch to this. This is 100% free from the AI. I personally got involved with this to make sure that it was gonna be 100% free for you guys. I promise you, there's no catches here. After you click that link in my description box down below, it's gonna bring you to this page. So just click Build My Free Store. You're gonna put your name and email here. We're gonna select a niche. Don't worry if you don't know 100% what your niche is. You don't have to pick just yet, but just pick the niche that interests you the most and we can always switch this up later. So for this free course, I'm gonna go ahead and just click Fashion and Apparel. And we are going right through. So just keep going through these steps and you're gonna come to this page where it's going to prompt you to make a new Shopify account to host this online store in. So right now, guess what guys? If you use this link right now, you're gonna get Shopify for 3 months for $1. So do not sleep on this. A lot of you guys slept on this last year because you were kind of waiting to get started and you missed this promotion. So make sure you guys are going through this exact process and funnel so you can get this amazing promotion. So just make sure you sign up for this through this link right here as well. Click Access Shopify, and we are just gonna make a Shopify account here. When we're signed up for Shopify, then we're just gonna go back to our AI store builder and click Done. And it's just gonna have you do just a couple more things here. It's very easy, just follow the instructions of this funnel. We're gonna type in our email here, click Start Free Trial, just click Skip for all of these. Just gonna select my country, then just finish the sign up process and click Create Shopify Account. Once we are signed up with Shopify, we are gonna go back to the AI store builder and click Done. In this next step in the funnel, we are just gonna click on Access Shopify here. And now we are just gonna select the plan. So again, let's sign up and this is gonna get you 3 months for $1 like I talked about. Now, after you go through the funnel, the AI store is now built for us. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what it made for us. Now you can see we literally have a full online dropshipping store ready to go. This looks so professional. And normally this would have taken me a couple hours to actually put together on my own from scratch. So definitely take advantage of this free tool. This online store literally has everything you need here. Your About Us page, shipping policy, return policy, order tracking, and everything you need to look like a legitimate business. And obviously you're gonna wanna customize this store a little bit more just by changing the store name, the logo, maybe some of the policy pages here as well. And we can do that just by going back to the Shopify dashboard, just click Online Store, click Customize. And as an example, let's just scroll down and change our shipping policy. So now that you are in the customization area, click on the shipping policy box, and on the right-hand side, you'll see where you can change whatever you want. So like, for example, instead of 1 to 2 business days, we can change ours to 3 to 5 business days. And don't worry, I'll explain this soon. Now that's all set, you can just read through everything here and you can make any other changes you want here. So once you're done with the changes, just click on save. And again, you can use this customization, just play around with it a little bit. This is the fun part, like actually making it yours. You can change the colors here, the logo, whatever you want. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys how to pick a business name and get a free logo in step 3 of this tutorial. So now after just doing some customization changes in this system, you can see that our store looks so much more professional with our logo and our name. And now our store is good to go. Now, just to make sure that our online store is live, this is really important, just click on Online Store in Shopify, go to Preferences, scroll down, and make sure you just turn off the password protection on the store. So now your store can go fully live. If you don't do this, people will actually have to have a password to get into your store to even see it. So just make sure that's off. Step number 2, now I'm gonna help you guys find winning products for your online store. So first of all, what makes a winning product? I always say it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So here are 4 questions you need to ask yourself as you are looking for products to sell. Do you have basic knowledge about this product you can market? Does this product have a wow factor of some kind? What problem does this product solve? And how can this product improve somebody's life? So these are the 4 questions you should be keeping in the back of your mind as you are looking through these products with me today. The products that you sell will make or break your business. So there's 2 ways to go about doing this. You can either search on platforms like AliExpress or even Alibaba to find suppliers there, or you can use an all-in-one platform like AutoDS. If you decide to go the AliExpress route, you can find a product with fast shipment times just by filtering through the search, and then to add it to your store, you're going to manually copy and paste the listing over to your own store under the Add Products tab in Shopify. Or you can use an all-in-one app like AutoDS, which gives you the ability to source and get super fast shipping times for any product you want. Let me show you a look into their platforms. There's 3 main product research sections that they have here that I use for my own product research, which is the handpicked products, Ad Spy, and trending products. The handpicked products tab is where you can find all the products AutoDS has available. And you can see here that they have a bunch of different categories, and the AutoDS team actually updates these daily, which is pretty cool. You can narrow your search down by country, price range, and category. They also have this fast shipping button, which will show you the products with the fastest shipping times. And some of these products have crazy fast shipment times around 2 days. They also update this daily, so you can always find new products being added here. So for example, when you pull up a product you're interested in, you can scroll down and you'll see all the data, which gives you insight on how to price the product, shows you what the profit of the product is, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now. And this is the Ad Spy tool, which is a tool that gets you to be able to oversee active TikTok and Facebook ads. You're also able to see content that's performing well on the platform. By using this feature, you get to see just like a lot of different insights on what's trending there, and it gives you inspiration for your own products as well. AutoDS also automates your entire online store for you. So once you get a sale, your supplier will ship your product straight to the buyer without you having to actually do anything extra on your end. And you are able to fully set this up through AutoDS. Another option this system has is product customization, meaning you can brand your own products directly through here. And by doing this, this adds even more value to the actual products and grows your brand. I did put the link in my bio for AutoDS. You can sign up through AutoDS with that link and get an entire month free. If you do it on your own, you'll only get 15 days free. If you do it through my link in my description box, you'll be able to get an entire month free. I got you guys. So you can really spend your time going through this, testing out different products, adding them to your store, and just spending some time doing some product research yourself. And remember those 4 questions, always keep those in the back of your mind. You'll actually notice too that AutoDS is within this AI Store Builder funnel. So you can actually sign up directly through AutoDS through this AI Store Builder funnel. And you'll also notice there's already products added to your online store through the AI Store Builder. So these products are added through AutoDS already for you, so you can already see which ones were handpicked based on the niche that you picked. So those are ready to go. If you want to use them, you can just simply sign up for AutoDS through that Build Your Store funnel, and then you'll be able to keep those winning products. So you're literally all set to go. So if you go to Amazon.com, click up here on bestsellers, then click movers and shakers, which usually is more trending and unique products here. And then we manually go through these. If you click on one of these products, Amazon will actually show you how many people purchased this specific product in the past month. So for example, look at this deep tissue massager product. It has over 30,000 sales in the past month, and at $40, This means that the seller is earning over $1 million in sales per month. So we can clearly see that we found a great product that's making a lot of money each month. So then at this point, head back into AutoDS to find a manufacturer that then sells this product or a similar product. So we can head back into AutoDS and just search for deep tissue massage to see if we can find a similar product. And look, here's a few of them right here. So let's click on this product on AutoDS. And this product costs around $30, including fast shipping through the supplier. If you search Google for this product, you can see on average, it's being sold between $70 to $200. So we are already on to step number 3, which is branding your store. You want to set up your dropshipping store for long-term success. And this happens with the power of branding. In my opinion, the first step to branding is actually picking a niche. When you pick a niche, you can add multiple products to your store in the same niche. There's horrible advice out there that you should start a general store, which means just putting a bunch of random products in a store and then promoting each one individually, which in my opinion is not building a brand and you are not setting yourself up for long-term success. So please do not do that. Pick a niche before you actually get started. I know you guys struggle with this, so I created a free guide that you can use to help you pick your niche. And of course, all I ask in exchange for the free education is just hit that like button if you haven't already and subscribe to the channel. Another important thing is your domain name. Now, Shopify does give you a free domain name that you can start using right away to promote your store with. But once you do pick a business name, which I'll show you how to do in a second, and you want your online store to look even more official with a proper domain name, getting a custom domain will be worth it and is also very affordable to do. You can think of it as like your own ID on the internet. For example, Rihanna has Rihanna.store, Shopify uses Shopify.com, and Behance is Behance.net. So you can notice the end of these links. It's this part, like .store, .com, or .net is the domain name. And it sets each website apart. I personally am creating all of my stores with the .store domain because it just makes the most sense for an online store. Even Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, and a million others are doing the same thing because really it just makes sense. You're actually able to get 2 times more visibility on Google just by using .store in your domain. And just by using a .store domain, it even gives you access to discounts up to $2,500 on even more e-commerce tools like Wix, ShipStation, Vistaprint, MailChimp, and so many more. You can really get your domain from anywhere. You can actually buy it through Shopify, Namecheap has them. GoDaddy is one that I use. But I actually did do some digging and I did find a promotion for you guys where you can get a .store domain for only 99 cents for your first year. I put the link for the domain in my description box down below for you guys as well for your convenience. And you can use this code IsabellaStore when checking out. So go to Business Name Generator and type in whatever you think is gonna be good for you. In this case, we're gonna type in gifts and let's just see what comes up. We can also try rose. So you can see here in seconds, they generated so many different names for you. So you can go to Zarla.com for this. I've been using this one forever and I use this for so many different things. So you're gonna just type in your business name here and just click on create your free logo. Then just tell them what your logo is for and you can then click choose icons for me. So you can see they have tons of different logos here for you to choose from. When you find the one that you like, just click on it and just click customize icon. It'll then bring you to this like editor page where you can switch things up to whatever you like. So what I personally like to do is I do like to turn down the margins here and I like to actually make this as big as I can. And I'm just gonna increase the size a little bit of this. When you are done, you can just type in your email here or screenshot it and it will send you a free download of this logo. Step number 4, now let's get sales for your online store. First option most people tell you, buy ads. Second option that personally made me a millionaire within a few years, organic marketing. My recommendation to you is to 100% learn about organic marketing. Even if you buy ads, you still need a good ad. You still need the actual videos and content to use for that ad. So it's the same amount of work, it's just a different strategy. Except with ads, you also need a big budget too. And I didn't have that when I first started. Don't listen to anybody that will tell you to spend thousands of dollars in ads as a beginner. Oh my gosh, I don't know how people are out here telling and recommending that. Do not do it. And I even know people that have spent thousands of dollars on ads and they've made nothing. So be very careful who you listen to, guys. Marketing is the most critical part of your journey, and this is actually where people stop and fail. So what is organic marketing? Basically, it's whatever you get through free, real traffic through social media. And before you say, oh my gosh, well, I don't have followers, how am I going to do that? You can start with 0 followers. Social media is not now what it was 10 years ago. You can start a fresh page, and these social media platforms nowadays give everybody an equal chance to actually go viral and get the views. You just have to put out the right types of content that will end up getting pushed out and actually performing well for your businesses, which will then grow your business organically, build an entire community around your business so it lasts up until the next 10 years and more, and you don't have to spend a penny on advertisements. This is a skill you can learn just like any other skill. I actually made a separate video to input into this video some marketing hacks and how to actually film content for your products. So I will add that in right now. If you are serious about your dropshipping journey and growing much faster than you trying to do it by yourself, definitely make sure you join our mentorship program. So many of our members are already seeing such great results just by having myself and my team by their side on their online store journey. So in order for you to truly master organic marketing with me by your side, make sure you click the link in my description box to join now before the spots are filled. And not only does your strategies have to be on point, but your mindset has to be on point too. You have to prepare yourself to have some failures in your journey. I failed so many times, but I learned from every single failure. Growing any online business from scratch takes patience, but it's never been an easier time to actually start. Remember even my story. When I restarted my online business journey, I literally had no sales the first month and I almost gave up myself. But because I continued to just try different marketing strategies, continue to just keep going every single day, and I was a full-time student back then and working a job, so I barely had time, but I still made it happen. My second month, because of one viral post, I had a $20,000 month. And again, I started these accounts from scratch, from 0 followers. I didn't ask any friends or family for help because I genuinely believe strangers will show you more love than family and friends, but that's for another video. So I do want to go over some common question and answers for you guys. So a lot of you guys ask me, do I need an LLC to start? So I'm not a lawyer. This is not legal advice, but a lot of you guys ask me certain questions, and I'm just going to share what I have personally done. Again, this is not legal advice. So a lot of you guys ask me about LLC. So I personally did not have an LLC when I first started. I just signed more as like a sole proprietor. So like I just used my social, and I waited until I started making consistent money before I legalized anything, because the most important thing is just make money. And this goes into the same questions that you guys always ask me about taxes. You guys are always so scared of taxes and sales taxes and all these things. Again, guys, you're not gonna have to deal with any of it if you don't make money. So just make your first dollar online first, then you can start researching this. And guess what? I actually have an entire video all about how I personally do my taxes on my YouTube channel. So you can refer to that video, and I go over more of this in depth for you guys there. But again, the most important thing is just getting started and to not dwell on these questions. Again, you guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more courses just like this. If you have any other questions about anything that I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a comment because I do answer and read through all of my comments. Wishing you guys all the best with your online business ventures and your dropshipping journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.